Cloud kitchens are exploding in India, but is it actually a smart business for you? No dine-in, no waiters, just delivery. Less rent, faster scale. Sounds perfect, right? But hang on, you'll need at least 8 to 12 lakhs to start in a metro city. Rent, staff, equipment, licenses, and Swiggy onboardment. It all adds up. Top brands hit 5 to 6 lakhs a month sales in year 1, but 30% of them fail in the first year, mostly due to poor branding and no repeat orders. Margins look juicy, 20 to 30% if you run it well, but get this wrong and you're bleeding 50,000 a month. If you understand food, marketing, and operations, and you're okay risking 10 lakh, you've actually got a shot. Tag someone who's dreaming of opening a food business. They need to watch this before burning their savings. If this video gets 10,000 likes, we'll review a business of your choice.